Hello, my name is Dee Roberts. My presentation is Population Ecology in the Tropical Rainforest Biome. Tropical rainforests are located in areas on the planet that are located near the equator and receive a lot of rainfall. They cover 7% of the planet, yet they are home to more than half of the world's plants and animals. The rainforest locations are categorized into three areas. The Neotropical rainforest, located in South America, includes the Amazon rainforest, which is very popular with a very diverse flora and fauna. The African rainforests are smaller with a lower amount of flora and fauna and shorter trees. The forests are also less dense. The Asian Pacific contains the largest trees of all the forest biomes, encouraging a larger amount of primates and gliding type of species. New Guinea and Australia contain many types of marsupial mammals and endemic birds. The distribution of these animals occurred as a result of geological and biological history and evolution. The tropical biome is the oldest since it was the first biome formed. The plates on the Earth shifted, causing terrestrial areas of the Earth to break apart and form mountain ranges. This shifting caused the tropical areas to become isolated and forced the plant and animal species to adapt to their surroundings, which researchers have said create many types of endemic species. There's a high diversity of plants and animals in the rainforest biome. Within 1 square kilometer of Guyana rainforest in South America, you'll find 450 bird species, 93 different types of reptiles, 37 amphibian species, 70 mammal species. The biome also contains more bats than any other biome and is the largest diversity of species belongs to the insects. Common animal characteristics. Most animals show bright colors and patterns. Some have a prehensile tail used for grasping vines and tree limbs in the canopies. Large beaks are used for eating fruit and opening shells. Another characteristic is they are very loud and vocal. Low population numbers for very many species creates a high number of endangered species that live in the tropical rainforest. 35 types of species become extinct each day. Logging and deforestation creates issues with wiping out the entire population. Illegal poaching also creates an issue with creating animal extinction. There's a high number of species found in the rainforest because of the living conditions are very comfortable. The temperature is around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, while water and food are, for the most part, accessible. The different layers of the tree canopies offer many options for shelter and an assortment of food. Some species found in this rainforests are endemic and have adapted to the living conditions in the rainforest by eating only certain plants or animals. They would not be able to survive outside of the rainforest. Animals have survived using diverse strategies, such as mimicry. One animal will mimic another animal's color pattern, which helps to ward off predators. Some use camouflage and blend in with their surroundings in order to help prey or the predators. They have an ability to find shelter, food, and water by using the various canopy layers. Arboreal lifestyle is widely used across many types of species. Some animals have tails used for hanging while using their hands. Sharp claws are used for climbing, and some species have skin flaps that allow for gliding through the air. Animals that live on the floor will eat the fallen fruit and seeds. The forest canopies contain many types of flowers, orchids, and vines. Canopies are also shelters for birds, bats, rodents, mammals, and insects. Food is found throughout all layers. With the accessible food, shelter, and water, you can see why the rainforest would be an environment for animals to thrive.